Welcome to Winning WP. But what is Winning WP? Let's take a look. In short, Winning WP is a blog powered by WordPress, about WordPress, for people who use WordPress. So who's the site aimed at, and what do we offer? And what sets us apart? I'm glad you asked. If you're someone who runs their own WordPress-powered website, or would like to, you're our target audience. But what do we offer? A ton of content. Over 500 blog posts on all aspects of WordPress, from choosing the right domain name and hosting, to adding new features, to speeding up your site, updating, and generally managing your site. Plus, we also offer nearly 20 extremely in-depth beginner guides, a huge range of deals and discounts on top of WordPress themes, plugins, and big-name hosting, and a growing selection of WordPress tutorial videos. What sets us apart? Come take a look at winningwp.com.